Masigabong palakpakan para kay Miss Joey Albert. At ngayon naman po, a big round of applause for our Filipino performers here in Canada.
Well, kumusta? Pwede mong sabihan yung president natin? Bakit patuloy na imbestigahan ang flood control? Ang flood control, ibalik ang pera. Pinipiling nyo na lahat ng mga congressman, mga senador, at ang mga justice system. Mahiya naman kayo! Mahiya kayo sa pera ng bayan. Bring back the money to the coffers of Filipino.
Your face is ugly than what you are. Because you're a liar.
Ma'am,
You're a traitor.
singganama,
You are a thief.
Inuutangan ako, singganado kababa sa inyo. Pero tangi ang kwartasang Pilipino, ibalik nyo. Kaluoy ang mga Pilipino. Inaubos na ninyo ang kwarta sa flood control. Please. Please. Kaluoy ang mga Pilipino.
Shame on you, Claire, anti-Claire.
Inaubos ninyo ang kwarta sa flood control.
Shame on you, anti-Claire, anti-Claire.
Please.
What a cry baby.
Please bring the money to the Filipino people. We have a big flood control projects come right now.
I think we can hear you without that.
Kapal ng mukha.
Just let them be. You can film them all you want. No problem.
We are harmless. We just want to let them know.
Feel free to say whatever you say.
She lies. She lies.
Oh, come on. Harassing? Look what you did in the Philippines.
No, we are not violent. We're
Ang susunod po, dahil po marami po tayong ginagawa na cultural exchange mula sa Canada at saka sa Pilipinas, nandito po, National Commission for Culture and the Arts, Chairman Eric Sarudo. Ating pagbabate, kung hindi ko babatiin ang ating First Lady. Taksan niyo yung sigaw para makapuntos ako. Okay, maraming salamat.